we have any carbon monoxide in the house?
What's that, bud?
Do we have any carbon monoxide in the house?
Yeah, probably. Check under the sink.
Where is the silent killer? Mom, I can't find any carbon monoxide. Hey, Mom, I can't find any carbon monoxide in the house.
Well, I'm really glad you can't find any, but even if you tried your hardest, we can't see it, we can't smell it, and we can't taste it. And I just learned that as of January 1st, 2026, we need carbon monoxide alarms on every story of our home, even in the basement. Do you know how many stories our home has?
Do.
Now, what if we had 3 stories? How many alarms would we need?
3.
Awesome. So we have alarms that plug into the wall, and we also have alarms that go up on the ceiling. Would you like to help me install them?
Sure. How to be safe from carbon monoxide?
Simple. We've always had carbon monoxide alarms outside of our bedrooms, but now we need them on every level of our home. Sounds like we're safe.